If meron ka DJI Osmo 360 and kagaya kita na nagsushoot ng 8K, D-Log, max stabilization, at kung ano-ano pang max settings, you know na yung isang battery dito is not enough. Especially pag nasa labas ka and mahaba yung recording time mo. More than 30 minutes. Minsan kahit meron kang dalang 2 extra batteries, ito kasama dun sa creator combo, is minsan hindi pa rin enough. Ito na naranasan ko to nung sa CoinFest, wala pang kalahati ng araw is ubos ko na yung 3 battery. So sobrang daming ganap. I find myself needing to go back to my hotel or my villa kasi malapit lang yun dun sa may Nunganu. Or mag-charge using my power bank na kinikip ko or tinitipid ko for my phone. Sabi ko, I don't wanna face that problem again. Especially sa mga next travel ko. That's why I got this. This is the Osmo 360 battery extension grip. So in this video, pag-usapan natin bakit mo siya kailangan. Ano yung specs niya, ano yung gusto ko sa kanya, what I don't like about this, saan ko siya nabili, magkano, and all of my thoughts about this. Again, this is a battery extension, so that is the main purpose of this one. And then, nilagyan nila ng function to make it a selfie stick. Ganda dito sa Osmo 360 is meron siyang magnetic charging, something like that, yung nasa ilalim. And they utilize that using this extension rod. Just like yung pang mount that it comes with sa box. Gano'n lang din siya. It's magnetic. Okay? Kakabit mo lang yan dyan. Tapos, yun na siya. So, aside from being a battery, selfie stick siya. Kung naka-single mode ka lang, single lens mode ka lang, pwede mo siyang mapaganyan. Okay, meron siyang mga buttons which you can use to control the camera itself. Galing, di ba? Tingnan nga natin. Nabubuksan din. Okay. Very nice. Okay, pwede mo rin siyang ma-change ng settings using these buttons. Okay? And then, syempre, ma-start yung recording and stop yung recording using this red button here. Ito naman for settings, I believe. Okay. Switching the lens. Tapos, meron siyang 4 LED indicator. I believe that's for the battery. So, that's for the battery. I believe 25% each. Sa gilid, andito yung charging port via USB-C. So, battery capacity approximately 15.5 watt-hour. So, convert natin. 4,000 mAh. 4,226 mAh. So, isang battery nito actually is around 1,950. So, parang meron kang dalawang extra battery if you're using this one. Plus, yung ginagamit nito sa loob. So, para kang may ginagamit na 3 battery at once kung full charge mo itong gamitin. So, yun yung kagandahan niya. Also, I tried it na din. Pwede mo siyang gamitin ng walang battery. Okay? So, ang function niya is not to actually charge the battery. It's to directly power up the device itself or the camera itself. Naubos yung battery, tsaka lang magkikick in yung naka-install na battery. Mas maganda approach yun kasi kapag charge niya yung battery, tapos yung battery yung nagpapower up sa camera, tendency nun is iinit yung battery. Mas iinit yung battery. Imagine mo ginagamit mo siya and then charge siya at the same time. So, mas prone siya sa overheating. At ang maganda pa dito, pwede mo siyang kabitan ng quick release plate sa ilalim. Kinabitan ko siya ng quick release plate. What I have here is the Ulanzi one. Mas gusto ko yung Falcam, pero nagamit ko na yung lahat ng Falcam ko sa other tripods ko. So, I'm using the Ulanzi for now. Hanggat di pa ako nakabili. And then, yan. So, pwede mo nang ilagay yan dyan. Yan yung ilalagay mo sa floor or sa table. And then you can record while you're eating or you're vlogging, something like that. Acting as a stand, a grip, a selfie stick, and an extended battery or battery extension. Battery extension, battery extended. And then if I wanna keep it, tanggalin ko lang to, pak. Tanggalin ko lang to. Tap. Pabilis lang siya. I-press mo lang yun dito. Okay? Then, ito, lagay ko na sa bag or what. By the way, extension nito hanggang, sabi sa specs is 90 centimeters yung extension niya. So, if you want, yan, mas malayo, mas maganda, mas marami kang makukuhang details. Gamit na gamit mo to, especially kung nag-city tour ka. Siyempre, pag bago sa yung city, di ba? Gusto mo ma-videohan lahat. Pag nag-Disneyland ka, mga theme park, di ba? Yan, POV vlogs. Yan, siyempre magsasalita-salita ka, ganyan. By the way, another advantage nung gina-charge niya or pina-power up niya yung camera instead of the battery is, for example, nagre-record ka, hindi pwedeng maputol, tapos palobat na yung battery, again, pwede mong tanggalin yung battery. So, nagre-record yan, nalobat na to, umaasa na lang sa battery nitong rod, pero paubos na rin. So, pwede mo siyang i-charge here via power bank or kasaksak sa power source. Or kung hindi mo siya ma-charge, at least bago mo ubos to, pwede mo siyang palitan ng battery nang hindi ka nag-i-stop ng recording. Di ba? So, bago na yung battery mo, pag ubos na to, doon na siya sa battery, kukuha naman ng energy, power. Ganda, no? By the way, yung build niya, if curious kayo, it's plastic. Ito medyo rubber, TPU, rubber, yung parang sa case, rugged case. Yan, but the rest is plastic. Yung weight niya, yan, 287.8.7. Backwards naman dito or what I don't like about this. First, I wish nag-include na sila ng feet here. So, similar dun sa Osmo Mobile, meron na siyang feet na nasa loob. Ilalabas mo na lang. Tapos, you can use it as a tripod. By the way, hindi siya waterproof. So, if gagamitin mo yung camera mo for underwater or may chance na mabasa, then use the other tripod or the normal tripods. Another cons nito is, syempre, it's another Bitbitin. Syempre, kung meron ka na ng ganito, mamimili ka, this one or this one. Eh, ako kasi, I really love this function. Yan. Either I let go of this one, or dalawa yung bibit-bitin kong tripod. Di naman ganun kabigat, pero syempre, kapag buong araw mong bit-bit, di ba? Mas magandang isa na lang yung bit-bitin mo. So yun, those are the things that I want you to know about this. Those are my initial thoughts. I will continue to use this. Then, babalitaan ko kayo kung ano yung performance nito. Kung it feels like 2 extra batteries ba talaga yung itatagal niya. And then, yeah, kung anything na magiging thoughts ko about this. And, para malaman mo yun, syempre, dapat nakasubscribe ka. Hit the bell notifications icon para updated ka every time mag-upload ako. By the way, in this channel, mag-upload ako anything that I know about crypto, trading, tech, travel. Also, kung may question pa dito, syempre, make sure to comment down below and then pag-usapan natin yan or gawan ko ng other video if necessary. Right? See you in the next video, Pangkat.